We humans don't live alone, so why you expect that they can shop and read your lengthy articles and go through your service page, all alone by themselves? There's a big difference between how decades-old brands are still able to make millions of dollars by their stores where modern brands are failing to even stay alive. The answer is simple. Depth of your brand. While your website is a great way to aware people about the product or services that you offer, it is still very tough to actually propose them to buy things from you. That's why conventional businesses focus so much on sales representatives and in-store attendants. Well, you can have an attendant for every customer who walks in your offline store. It is impossible to do so in online. And that's why Sttabot uses natural language processing to bring this in reality. We help you build bots that are trained on your data and knows how to upsell, downsell, or even cross-sell products. Sttabots can give users recommendations, tell them honest feedbacks, and communicate like a human, all while making sure that your products are sold. You can build, integrate, and launch your Sttabots within minutes and let your users enhance their experience. Maybe this is why we are trusted by 20,000 businesses globally, including Columbia University, RevScale, Walt 7, GMX, and many more. Sttabots have made over 4 million user experiences better, and we are just getting started. Get started with Sttabot for free and try it yourself how it can change the way your users experience your products.